Hey, I just want to show everybody how to install these LED headlights. These are like an Amazon brand that I got, I don't know, like 6 months ago. One of them burned out. They're actually this model number, the 9012 and then HIR2. I got some new ones, but it had this piece also attached to it, and this piece was actually stuck in there and I couldn't really tell, and you obviously can't get it in there. So I thought they just sent me the wrong one. So yeah, that's the model number, and the way you get this out is you just keep spinning it either with some needle nose pliers, or you just put this light back in and put it back in there and continue to spin it. There's a little screw that catches here until this lines up. So if this helps you, give me a like and subscribe. But you have to get this adapter out of there. It's part of this headlight, and I have a feeling it gets stuck in there pretty often. And these little screws fell out too. One just fell out a minute ago. But anyway, yeah, you need those. So, all right, leave a comment on which vehicle you're working on and what issue you ran into and how you got this adapter out.